Hello and welcome to a new YouTube tutorial. This video is part of our Hub Flow series where we show you step by step how to automate and optimize various processes with Peakboard Hub Flows. Today we'll focus on SAP, where we'll extract data related to workplace capacity from a transaction and store it in the Peakboard Hub, allowing it to be distributed centrally to Peakboard applications while generating less traffic in the SAP system. To achieve this, we will create an SAP data source that retrieves capacity data per workplace, another SAP data source that provides information about each workplace, combine both data sources, and then synchronize this data in the Peakboard Hub. You will see how we use the SAP transaction COOIS to obtain the relevant data and how we design the data flow in Peakboard to update the data in real time. We start in the SAP GUI. First, we call up the transaction COOIS, select the capacities list, and choose our standard header layout. Then we enter production plant from 1000 to 1000 as a filter to specifically focus on plant 1000. After that, we execute the transaction and see the corresponding results. Next, we return to the transaction and save it under variant name CAP per WP. We provide the variant with a description, capacity per workplace, and confirm the action. Now we switch to the Peakboard Designer and add a new SAP data source. We name it and enter our connection details. Then we enter the SQL statement to execute the report PPIO_entry with the previously saved variant cap per WP. After reloading the data source, we can see the results displayed. In the next step, we duplicate the created data source and create a new SAP data source named Workplace Names. Here, we only need to adjust the SQL statement to select all columns from the CRHD_V1 filter by the language English and select plant 1000 to show all workplaces in this plant. After reloading the data source, the corresponding data will be displayed. Now we create a data flow for the capacity per workplace data source. First, we give it a name, then add a join step to connect the workplace names data source. We use the workplace and Arbeitsplatz columns for the join. After that, we delete most of the columns and only keep order, operation actual, target setup, target process, and K text. In the next step, we adjust the column names to make them more readable. Now the data flow is complete and we can create a hub flow. Again, we assign a name and choose periodic as the trigger. This hub flow will run every 90 seconds. In the first step, the capacity per workplace transaction is executed, followed by a reload of the workplace names data source, not just when the data changes. After that, we execute the data flow, which will also refresh periodically. Finally, we want to store the results in a Peakboard Hub list and use the output step. We leave the step set to data change and select the override option, meaning the hub list will be overwritten each time the hub flow is executed and the data changes. This ensures that only the current capacity per workplace is displayed. We activate the hub flow by using the Upload button and give it a name. Then we return to the Peakboard Hub, where we see that the hub flow was successfully executed with no error messages. When we go to the List tab, we can see that the data has been successfully synchronized into the Peakboard Hub. From here, the data can now be consumed and displayed in a Peakboard application as usual. In summary, today we learned how to retrieve SAP data from a transaction, process that data in a data flow, and then store it in a Peakboard Hub. We walked through the entire process from creating data sources to setting up an automated hub flow. In the end, we successfully integrated the synchronized data into Peakboard applications. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time, and good luck with your implementation.